If at any point you can see the sock in my hair, mind your business. Ew, I don't want it showing. Hey y'all, it's Audrey, and today we're making some real bad decisions. What do you want? Anyway, got a fresh face right now, no makeup, because my dumbass decided to recreate my makeup routine from when I was 14. First of all, if you didn't know me in 8th grade, you should be grateful. Yeah, I got sugar scrub in my face. Ooh. I'll attach a picture right here. I think I can do that in iMovie, but if I can't, I'll take the L. I'm real excited, but at the same time, I'm fucking terrified. 8th grade was sad boy hours 24/7. I'm definitely gonna have to buy more eyeliner after this. What do you want? This is the worst angle, but let's get started. Now normally when I do my makeup, I'll start with my face, but 14-year-old me didn't know what foundation was, so I'm gonna go straight to my eyes. Literally, all I'm gonna need is my eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so we'll start with the waterline. Okay, looks good. We're not done. That's better. You also gotta, smudge it a little bit. Blend it in. A little smoky eye look. Looks good. Alright, I just did the other eye, so let's get on to eyeshadow. Tricked ya. I never used eyeshadow. There we go. Nice. Y'all, it keeps fucking breaking. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it through this video. Y'all, I am dreading taking all this off. So normally I just draw the wings on using this eyeliner, but I'm trying to save it, so I'm gonna cheat and use gel eyeliner. Looks good. So you see, I'd always get my wings uneven, so of course I have to match them. So I'm just gonna, that's better. Actually, this one's a little thin. Good. Wings look good, so let's start some mascara. Ooh, yeah, this always happens. Now, in 8th grade, whenever I'd make out with my boyfriend, he'd just end up getting eyeliner all over his face, so you always knew when we'd been making out. Now normally I'd like cake on the mascara after seeing Marina Joyce's makeup tutorial on how to get her big eyes, but I think I'm running out, so we'll skip that this time. So I know I said I was only gonna do my eyes, but I realized that late 2014 was when I finally learned that I should probably do my eyebrows since I don't have any. So I'm gonna add that to the routine. So 14-year-old me didn't have any eyebrow stuff, so I just used eyeshadow. And this brush, because apparently that's the brush you use when you do your eyebrows. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, You are fake as fuck for not telling me that my eyebrows are so whack. Just saying. And of course, you know, I touch it up with my makeup wipe. Try and make them look better than they were. Which, you know, never was, but, well. So that's literally it. This is a finished product, and I kind of feel like ending my life now. I can't believe I did this. I am not in a friggin' phase. Live with it, parents. We're done here. See you next time. That's the end of the video. I'm gonna go listen to some Pierce the Veil.